Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today our lesson is on rational transformations. First, let's review the transformation function. Here we have y equals a over x minus h plus k. The a value will tell us three things about our function. It will tell us whether we have a vertical stretch, a vertical compression, or a reflection across the x-axis. Our h value will tell us our horizontal translation. That means it'll tell us if our graph goes to the right or if it moves to the left. Our k value tells us our vertical translation. So that tells us if our function shifts up or down and how many units. Let's take a look at our first example. So here we have y equals 3 divided by x plus 4 minus 5. Since 3 is our a value, that tells us that our graph is vertically stretched by a scale factor of 3. And I'm just going to go ahead and abbreviate scale factor. Our h value is actually a -4. We have to keep in mind that our transformation function had a minus sign in it. So it's minus a -4. That's where we get that +4. So since it's a -4, that means our graph translates to the left 4 units. And then our k value, since it's -5, this tells us that our graph translated or shifted down 5 units. And those are the three transformations compared to the parent rational function. Okay, here we have y equals -2 divided by x minus 7 plus 8. So our a value is going to tell us two things in this example. Since it's negative, it's going to tell us that there is a reflection across the x-axis. And since it's 2, that's a number that's bigger than 1. That means we have a vertical stretch by a scale factor of 2. So here our h value is actually a +7 because we already had a -7 in our transformation function, or we already had a minus sign in the transformation function. So this means our graph translates to the right 7 units. And our k value is a +8, so that means our graph translated up 8 units. And that concludes our lesson on rational transformations. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below. And for more math tutorials, subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.